In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce report effortlessly. We will walk through this process step by step, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of how to make the most of Salesforce's reporting capabilities. Whether you're a Salesforce beginner or looking to polish your report building skills, this guide has got you covered. First, let's navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once there, notice the familiar setup that serves as the hub for all your activities within Salesforce. To begin the report creation process, click on the App Launcher, which is usually represented by a grid of dots. This will allow you to access various Salesforce apps quickly and easily. Now, locate and select the Reports option from the list of available apps. This section is your gateway to building and managing reports, which are essential for monitoring and analyzing your organization's data. With the Reports tab open, click on the New Report button to initiate the creation of a new report. Here, you're presented with the option to choose a report type. This step is crucial as the report type determines the kind of data and records that the report will encompass. Select the report type that aligns with your requirements, then click on Continue to proceed. In the next step, we'll focus on grouping rows within your report. Grouping data allows you to organize and categorize information logically, making it easier to draw insights. After setting up the groupings, you can choose a field to add. Fields are essentially the data points you'll want to include in your report for more robust analysis. Once your fields are in place, click on the Filters option. Filters play a critical role in tailoring the report to your specific needs by narrowing down the dataset to show only relevant records. Among the filter options, you'll find Show Me. This allows you to specify which records or data points you wish to see in your report based on existing field values. For instance, selecting All Accounts under this filter helps you include a more comprehensive range of data. After fine-tuning your report with filters, select Apply to ensure all changes are updated in your report view. At this stage, you have the option to visualize your data by clicking on Add Chart. Graphical representations can offer insightful perspectives on the data trends and patterns. Upon adding a chart, take some time to delve into chart properties. This is where customization happens, allowing you to modify the look and feel of your chart according to your presentation needs. Select the chart type that best fits your data, whether it's a bar graph, line chart, or pie chart. Finally, once everything looks good, hit Save. You'll be prompted to input a report name and a unique name to identify your report. It's important to be descriptive with the naming to easily recognize the report's purpose later on. After entering the names, click Save again to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Salesforce report. With practice, you'll be able to leverage this powerful tool to gain deeper insights into your data and drive your business decisions. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to explore and experiment with different report types and visualizations to find what works best for your needs.